If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Excel provides two different methods for sharing workbooks. One way is to use the co-authoring features of Excel as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. To use co-authoring, you must also save the shared workbook to an online site like OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, or SharePoint Online. Co-authoring allows you to work on shared Excel workbooks at the same time as other users. Alternatively, you can also save and share a workbook using the Shared Workbooks feature. Doing this lets you share the workbook to either a shared local network location or online. It is also supported by older versions of Excel and users without a Microsoft 365 subscription. However, the Shared Workbooks feature doesn't let users make changes simultaneously. Instead, each user changes a copy of the shared workbook when they open it. Changes made by other users are merged back into the original workbook after the users finish making changes to their shared workbook copy. There are, however, a few tips you should be aware of before you share a workbook. After sharing a workbook using the Shared Workbooks feature, you also cannot insert or change the following objects or settings until you stop sharing the workbook. A partial list of disabled features includes merged cells, conditional formatting, data validation, charts, pictures, objects, drawing objects, hyperlinks, scenarios, outlines, subtotals, data tables, pivot table reports, workbook and worksheet protection, slicers, sparklines, XML data, and macros. Therefore, insert or apply these things prior to sharing the workbook if needed. Note that this is only a partial list, and there may also be several other Excel features that are temporarily disabled until you stop sharing the workbook. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.